Bet you think I'm bored, but that's not quite it. Yawning has a lot of interesting benefits to the body. Have you ever noticed that animals, as they wake up, they take a long, slow stretch or maybe a good yawn? And it's because yawning is just so rejuvenating. Yawning will not only wake us up, but it calms us down. It helps relieve mental stress and anxiety, and it boosts our performance. So it's no surprise that musicians and athletes are incorporating yawning before they perform. So we think this is happening because we're increasing blood flow to the brain, we're opening up the air channels, it's cooling off the frontal lobe, it's kind of like a radiator in a car. We also know that yawning increases our emotional empathy, so consider yawning before you walk into a sticky or sensitive situation. I would consider incorporating yawning into your regular daily working on a long project on the computer. Try it at least hourly. A good long slow yawn, maybe even incorporate with a stretch. It can also be an act of mindfulness if you, while you're doing this, focus on a word that's a top value for you. So it helps with your mental goals and spirituality. So even consider doing it before you walk into a meeting, or better yet, do it together as a group to boost your productivity. Research shows that clicking the thumbs up and subscribe button will make fingers healthy and strong, and besides, it's free.